Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, you see from the title or the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing some press-on, well, kind of press-on nails because I have to glue them. But yes, I started this vlog as you guys will see, but because they were cutting the grass, it was kind of, you know, loud, so we're just starting it over.
I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing.
Alright guys, so I decided to do a little voiceover for you guys. Right now I'm showing you guys some of the nails that I already did. So I ended up doing about 4 fingers already. I did them like some days ago. I'm also going to be showing you guys one of them that I did my first try at doing a nail. That's the one. So that one will not be in this set. I'm gonna make some others for that one, but that's the first one that I did. This nail I shaped and all. I'm gonna be showing you the things that I use in the end, but for now just enjoy me making the nail.
I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been getting nothing. wanted something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Okay, so basically this one is done. I put the top coat and everything. This one is still drying. I just turned off the fan so I can talk. But yes, I'm gonna show you guys the idea. So pretty much after I'm finished with that one, that's gonna completely on hand. So I have the big finger, that's my this finger, that one. Then this is the middle, this is this finger, the ring finger or whatever you call that. Then this is the little finger. So I have this as the accent one, and so yeah, that's what I have in mind. So they're white, and I have like a bunch of nail polishes like up there. So I'm thinking, like, if I make a lot of these and just put them down, I want to have this box filled with them. So I bought some more pom-pom nails. I had these from before, like if I did my nails on my own or whatever. So these are like the ones that I would have bought in the packs and so on. I'm gonna fix these after I'm finished with that set, because that set is to put in my back to school vlog pretty much. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make this video by itself or put it in, I don't know. But yeah, so I want to fix these. I don't necessarily like the pointed ones, so I might file them and then just repaint them. I don't know yet. Alright guys, so I'm finished with this set. It's so cute. So pretty much I did white and then the two accent nails. I wanted to do, well, I bought this. It's supposed to be like a neon yellow, I guess. Yeah, I think it's a neon yellow. But anyways, and then I also bought this as well to do it, because I know this, I had this white, but it's kind of, what do you call this, kind of dry up like. So yeah, I was gonna throw it out, but I needed something to put these on, and pretty much I'm gonna tell you what I use. So basically I use this to hold the nail so I can file it and so I can actually paint it so it doesn't mess up my hand. I use this so it can hold it down. These are kind of, they come like gum, they're kind of like gum. So pretty much I would just put on a little bit on it. This is what I had on both. So this, I'm gonna throw this out now. So it's like I put it on like that, and then I put the nail on it, file it, and as you guys saw, and all of that. So yeah, these are the things I do. So pretty much why I have to buff it, I watched a video once and they said that to get the nail polish to stay for a long time and not chip, I think you have to ensure that it's not shine. Yeah, so that's why I buff it off, and then yeah, so that's what they look like. And so next week or weekend coming, I'm gonna be fixing up my self for school, because school officially begins. I'm going to, let me talk to y'all here. So pretty much I'm going to online school. However, the other day I was like, it's been a while that I've actually taken care of myself. Yeah, I did it for summer and all, but I'm saying, like, I don't know, I'm gonna look this rough, but ignore. I'm like, being at online school, you hardly do anything for your body. I'm always in t-shirts for school because it doesn't make sense I put on my work clothes, but I have all these clothes, like clothes with ties and stuff. I just want to feel a little bit different for going to school. So I decided I'm gonna like create the nails and put them on like each week. Whenever them drop off, I just put them on back, because it's just the regular nail, I won't have on like acrylic and so on, so you know it's gonna fall off easy. But that's fine, because I'm gonna have to like be in water and so that's fine. Like a week, I hope it stays on for at least a week. So because by the weekend comes, I'm gonna have to wash. So don't mind if Friday evening it drop off or Thursday evening, but you know, yeah, I just wanted to do that, and like I normally do my toes very often and I don't do it, so I'm looking rough. Yeah, and I have terrible lighting in my room, so yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment something down below. Let me know if you guys like videos like these where I like do tutorials or whatever. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.